Sarap! So, nandito na po kami sa aming destination sa Orchard. Magkano kaya ang babayaran? Tignan natin. Oh, may katabing libingan. Yan ang tindahan, see? Ang ganda.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Apple Orchard.
Hello, welcome.
What a beautiful day today.
Yes, it is. Admission fee $10.
First visit? Okay, I'll give you a quick rundown over here.
10.62.
These are all the apples that are put in about 15 different varieties.
Wow. Daming varieties ng apple, oh. Wow.
Okay, so all of the apples are admission includes everything you see on that sign there. There's a wagon ride that takes you through the orchard. There's another wagon. Raspberry patch. Okay, do it on either side. Now the raspberries are
Where is my darling? You think it's strawberry? Wow, look at that. Yung ticket mo, mahal ah. Pumpkin and squash. Kita mo, pwede tayong kumain dun, oh. Dala natin yung bag.
Ang ganda.
Ay grabe, hindi po ako makaupo dahil basa ang upuan. Pero I am here right now at the orchard.
Want to take your picture from that?
No,
That's okay.
Sure?
yes, thank you.
Enjoy your day.
Yes, good morning. Welcome to Raspberry Farm. Tara kayo, samahan nyo ako mamikap ng raspberries. Marami po siya. Ito. At andyan ang, anong tawag dyan?
Tractor.
Tractor, I know. So, ayan nga. Napakarami pong raspberry. Mamikap. Pagpik tayo. Ayan, oh, wow. Look at that. Raspberry. But it's small.
Raspberry. It's a tiny raspberry.
Tiny
It's
raspberry.
like wild.
Wild.
Yeah, look, there's a wild one.
Ito pa, oh.
It's not big raspberries.
Sarap, mahal, oh. Mm.
Hmm?
Hindi matamis. Ha.
Mm. Big farm.
For raspberries. Look, ang sarap. Ano? Mahirap pikpikin. Yeah, look. Mali pa yung napag ko. Raspberries. Yeah. Ang sarap po ng raspberry lalo pag bagong pitas. Tamis, sarap. Na maasim-asim. Dami na. Ayun mo, hinog ko. Sarap!
Ngayon ang season ng ano no, raspberry dito no.
Tara, mamulot po tayo ng raspberry.
Namulot.
Ay, mag-pick.
Sarap.
Hindi pa siya hinog.
Kailangan hinog na hinog.
Hindi naman, kaya lang. Siyempre, ba't ka magpipick ng... Nalalaglag na nga yung iba. Ayan, mahal oh. Raspberries.
Dito pa.
Ito malalaki eh. Wow, look at this one. Sarap. Ito po ang raspberries. Raspberries. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum.